ready to unlock the full potential of Aisensy by connecting it to all your favorite tools and platforms. This video will show you exactly how to find and access the Aisensy API in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Aisensy account once you're in the main dashboard. Look for your profile icon. In the top right corner of the screen, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled API Keys. This is your gateway to all the necessary credentials for connecting Aisensy to other systems. Go ahead and click on API Keys. You'll now be on the API Keys page. If you don't already have an API key generated, you'll see a button that says something like Generate New API Key. Click this button to create your unique key. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your API key. This is for your own organization, so give it a descriptive name that will help you remember what it's used for. For example, website integration or CRM connection. Enter a name and click Create. Congratulations! You've successfully generated your API key. Make sure to copy this key and store it in a safe place, as you will need it to connect Aisensy with other apps. Also, on this page, you'll find a link or button to access the comprehensive API documentation. This documentation contains all the technical details, endpoints, and examples you'll need for a successful integration. That's all it takes. Now you can integrate.